Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a food poster design in Canva. All right, let's begin. First, open Canva and create a new project. Go to Elements and search for Grunge. Open Filters and select Red Color Photos. Then choose a grunge style you like. Increase the size and cover the entire page. Adjust the position to fit the layout. Next, go back to Elements and search for Black Gradient. Clear any previous filters, choose a gradient, flip it vertically, and place it at the bottom. Now add a new page and change the background color to black. Go to Text and type your main title. Change the font to Rustic Print Stamp and increase the size. Center the text, duplicate it, and type another word. Adjust both text sizes, select them together, rotate 90 degrees, and resize slightly. Download this page as a PNG with a transparent background, selecting only the second page. Return to the first page, open Apps, and choose Transform Image. Upload the text image. Drag it upward from the bottom and add it to the design. Resize as needed. Add a burger photo, adjust the size, then add a drop shadow graphic and send it backward. Finally, add yellow light elements, place them behind all layers, and finalize the design. So that's basically how you can create a food poster design in Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.